Alright, Bumblebee, transform. I have something for teach you. Alright, more you follow me. This can save your life one day. So you can. Now let me see you do that. Oh, the Ross. Bumblebee, alright? You just have to keep trying until I get it. Bumblebee, see your sister, yeah?
Though I'm missing you, cause you were my sister.
Little brother, I miss you too. Now let me see you get up and try that again. You can do it. You did it, little brother.
Hold on, Bumblebee. You think you alone can dance? I'm here the real bat dan dada. Watch it, you. Bat wave. Bumblebee, take the bat wave and let me see what you can do. Bumblebee, now follow me and do the rat bat robot. Bumbleclad broke out time now. Michael Bats. Follow me, youth. Bumbleclad, me taunted. Alright, enough. Left Bumblebee with me for one more week. I have some more things to teach him. Bumblebee, we soon come. We have to catch your teeth in spider we fuck up your chest plate. Alright, Bumblebee, you ready for this?
Shall you keep me fast? Strong already.
Rossi, see the teeth in spider there. Pussy wanna make Bumblebee chest plate up on him.
You look him in a busting blood clot chest plate. Oh, Shia, Bumblebee sister. Are your time don't forget beat up. You don't fuck with my little brother. You ain't little brother, fuck off and kiss me ass for Christmas. Hey, robot bitch, you want me murder your pussy clot?
Alright, Darcy, alright, now kill him.
No, siya isa fucking robot too bad, Megan.
Darcy, you bad no bumbo. Where can man get it from?
Nobody na play with my little brother.
Which one is mother?
Darcy, stop right there, so. We need to go buy some tie. To make stop motion like ZABZ TV. Where they be a fucking ugly Dalina, so. How are they? Murder your bum. Yeah, my youth, your bumbo clot startled me. Go startle your mama. Me a go murder your bumbo clot. Rossi, you saved me. You're not the strength. Me a go murder your bumbo. How are they pussy clot? I gotta get out of here.
Murder them. In a competition, I grind. Murder them.
You a feedback gang when no take back chat. And anything you say you can't defend that. You a feedback gang when no take back chat. And anything you say you can't defend that.
I gotta get out of me, bubble. But you're my. But let go of me. Let go of the fucking trunk, bro. Hello, you think it's no me like you? But I didn't want to tell you because Domino is my friend. Give me a kiss, fucking drunk, bro.
First as I wake up, you just love your makeup. Ain't nobody me not trust like she.
You're a weirdo. Kick the soldier. Me is not no drunk, bro. Me is a rat bat. You is a fucking drunk robot. I breed me want you to breed me. Hey, mama, y'all gonna rip me back. Flash work. Y'all mind you taunted me. Lift me up and kiss me, fucking drunk robot. You think I know me won't deal with you, fucking drunk robot? Y'all your toes touch, and I go like you no fucking a bush. Come, we have to leave this place. You need to give me a steady backers on the bike.
Position like that when you're deep on the bike back. Position like that when you're deep on the bike back.
Stop me harder, you fucking drunk robot.
You love when me touch up your body and when me rap on your jacket, my daddy promise say you never go leave.
For the pussy them there, me a go murder on no bumbo class.
Call out the country. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Murder people tell me they killing up on my mind. I'm from the castle and them little bat now to fly. Buddha tell.
Batman, I want it to know where I come from. I want to smell so like fuck. I don't know about that fucking drunk.
When hurry up and don't talk. We gotta get out of here.
Every thug, you don't know, me that got your back, baby.
No make them kill me, please.
Batman, you have to leave this place right now, cause Chucky them not stop till them kill you. Me can't wait to get back your memory and remember me. More of them coming. Where them there? I hope you know us from now use my fucking drunk robot. And me go start day with you. Girl, me say me love him, see? I love him too. Excuse me? I mean, I hate the fucking drunk robot.
What the fuck you breathe?
ZABZ TV be like, pew 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 pew.
Beat out them bumbleclot.
Yo dog, big man like you a play with tie. No ZABZ TV me a follow. Come over here, so. Why you fi kill Batman for me? Bring me him bumbleclad bat skull and me give a tooth in a sardine and a mackerel. No say another word, the rat better go dead. Dopey about that.
Go kill your mama dead fool.
Take the mic and go and go kill him.
I'm Chuck Killer, no matter where